It's no small task for financial advisors to manage their retirement plan book of business. Managing hundreds of data points on your retirement plan clients can lead to headaches, frustration, and even worse, wasted time. If you're an advisor facing these challenges, look no further than RPAG's Advisor IQ dashboard. With just a click of a button, RPAG advisors can utilize Advisor IQ to view beautiful and dynamic dashboards that displays all of their relevant plan information on one screen. So whether they're looking for the total amount of assets in the fund across multiple clients, looking at another advisor's total AUM, or just seeing the number of total reports that have been run by another user, everything can be illustrated on one easy-to-use dashboard. Along with Advisor IQ, there's also a comprehensive advisor report section where advisors can pull any information in RPAG into an Excel spreadsheet with just a click of a button. No longer will advisors need to manually update spreadsheets and CRM systems to keep up with their growing retirement book of business. Through RPAG's data feeds and business intelligence dashboards, simple data management is just a click away.